got another small story for your kids that is based on union is strength. Let's start now. Once there was a farmer who had 4 sons. He was ill. He had no hope of life. He was worried about his sons because they were always quarreling. The farmer thought of a plan. He called his sons to his bed. He asked them to bring some sticks. He told them to tie those sticks in a bundle. None could break it. Now he asked them to untie the bundle and break the sticks. One by one, all of them broke the sticks easily. The farmer advised them to live like a bundle. The sons learned a lesson. Moral: union is strength. Thank you.